By the end of the video, we'll know about Pike push-up workout. Tamil. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a fantastic workout that targets your chest, triceps, and abs, the Pike push-up workout. So, let's dive right in. Maximize your gains with Dimetize ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder, an optimum nutrition gold standard 100% whey protein powder, with quality ingredients and delicious flavors. Fuel your workouts and recovery. Find the links in the description and take your fitness journey to the next level. First up, start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your ankles. Next, inhale as you lower yourself down until your elbows bend. Then, exhale as you push up until your hips are in the air. At this point, you're in a pike position. Inhale and lower yourself down until your elbows bend again. Exhale and push up to return to the starting position. Repeat this sequence for as many repetitions as you can handle. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Remember to breathe properly and keep good form throughout the exercise. If you need help with proper form, or want more guidance on how to perform this workout, check out my YouTube channel for detailed videos. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this workout and found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content like this one. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.